Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make a scrunchie. Scrunchie is a headband, can be used as a headband. That's what I know it for. I've seen scrunchies on the wrist, but I still don't know what scrunchies are doing on the wrist. But basically scrunchies is just to hold your hair firmly, and it's very beautiful, like it's aesthetically beautiful. Now if you're just seeing my video for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Please do watch this video, watch my other videos, like them, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys know I love you so much. I'm saying a big welcome to you again. Thank you for all the love, and do engage with my videos. So let's dive right into today's video. I'm showing you two methods of making scrunchie, not just one. That's why I have two different fabrics here, and both of them are going to be reversible. You don't have to bother which is front, which is back. You can use them anyhow. And I think that's even what's very beautiful about scrunchie, the fact that they're always reversible. So the first method I'll be showing you, I'll be using this particular fabric. This one is a velvet. The dimension I'm going to be using for today is, the length is going to be 20 inches and the width is going to be 3 to 4 inches. Is it? Length is 20 and the width is 4 inches. I'm going to be using 4 inches. So let's start cutting. The width here is 6 inches. I'm going to be using 4 for this one. Then I'm going to add half inch, and it's going to be on fold. This is it on fold. So I'm just going to draw a starting point here. This velvet is stretchy on one side, so I'm careful to note that. Then for my 20 inches length, I'm not going to add any seam allowance because it's long enough. This is 20. For the width, I'm going to be using 4. It's already on fold now, so it's going to be 2. Then plus half inch seam allowance. That's going to be 2.5. As you guys can notice, I've not done any sit down and talk video for a very long time. That's really, I don't know what to say. So I also love to know, guys, which do you prefer? Like for people that have been watching my videos and have been following me, do you prefer my sit down and talk videos where we just talk about a particular topic, or you prefer this my DIY videos? After you drop your comments in one of my videos, I'm going to tell you which I like and which I feel is more comfortable for me. But for you guys, I'm doing these videos for you, so I'm still going to go. It's still going to be in your interest. So I'd just love to know that, like, do you prefer my sit down and talk videos or you prefer my DIY videos? So this is it for the scrunchie. I'm just going to go to my sewing machine and sew. Right side facing right side like this. I'm going to sew. This is it for the first one. You're going to start sewing the scrunchie. And so the first thing I'll do is to sew this part. Right side facing right side. To sew anything that has hole in it and turnover is very tricky. So I'm going to be showing you a method that I'll be using. I made mistake initially. I'm not going to ignore that part. I'm still going to show the mistake I made in case you are thinking of doing it that way. This is what we are going to be doing now. We are going to take this. It's already like this. It's like this already. So this part, just open it, then you put this one inside. This is how I thought to do it, guys. Let's just see how it goes, because this thing is so tricky. So this is what it's looking like now. We are just going to turn. Perfect. So this is the opening. Guys, I hope you saw what I did there. If you're not so sure about what I did, please go back and view. Like go back and watch it again. So this is it. See, both sides are looking neat and it's turned. So now it's time for us to fix the elastic band. For the length of the band, I'll be using 7 inches. Safety pin. Do this, then I'll pass it through that opening. So guys, I've brought it out already. I'm just going to sew it at this end. I secure it firmly. You can see our scrunchies coming through already. Yeah. So this is what it's looking like. Now it's time for us to close. Guys, this is when you are doing yours using matching thread. I just realized today at the dying minute that I don't have this color of thread. Like I have to use light green. Felt like that was like the closest substitute to use. So guys, this is what our scrunchie is looking like. Isn't it beautiful? So this is what it's looking like. Guys, I can't wait to try this on, man. It's looking so girly. It's looking so girly to be sincere. So this is what it's looking like. This is the first method. I'm going to be showing you the second method. So continue watching this video, guys. So I left this space to turn over. So I'm just going to notch round and turn over. I did do this right. Guys, I didn't do this right. Sorry. On to the second method. This is the second method for this scrunchie. And this one, I think I'll say I prefer this one because it's just giving me that my personal taste and preference. But just do you though, basically. So this is the fabric I'm going to be using for this. For this one, it's going to be the same thing I did with that one. That's with the length and with the width. I'm going to drop images for this particular one I want to make. Now I'm going to drop images for you on the screen. Okay guys, so there's a little twist to this one, and the twist is that you can either use different fabrics. Like this one works better for reversible in the sense that you can you can use different fabrics and you can just have like different looks. Maybe with this one I have this pattern, I can also like use a plain pattern as the other side. So that's the beautiful and amazing thing for this one. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to just be using this material for both. But if you have two fabrics, please you can go ahead and use it. So for this one, we're still going to using the length as 4 inches. Sorry, the width as 4 inches. So I'm just going to check here. I have 4. Then here this is 5. I'm going to be making use of this 5. I'm going to be using this as my starting line for it. So I'm going to be making use of this 5 because I'm going to sew um half inch and half inch for both sides of the length. For both sides of the fabric, I mean, I don't know the grammar I'm speaking. Okay, first let me start with a starting line. This is my starting line here. I don't know if you can see this chalk. So I'm just going to start from here. This is 5 inches. We are still going to be making use of our 20. We are still going to be making use of our 20 inches length. So cutting time, guys. Okay, guys. So this is what I have for this particular scrunchie. I'm just going to go to my sewing machine to sew. Then another thing I would love to note for this particular scrunchie, you have to make sure that you're using a matching thread. For this particular fabric now, my matching thread is going to be black. I'm making emphasis on this one because of how it is. You have to make sure that you're using a matching thread. I'm going to be using black for this because black is like the background color. So guys, for the second method of making a scrunchie, here I have these two fabrics that I've cut already. So what I'm just going to do is to sew the top part with half inch, the top and the bottom part, guys. After this, I'm just going to trim and notch. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn over. I'm going to locate the center of the width. Yeah, I'm going to locate the center. Guys, at this point, it's safe to press. But so this is 4. I'm just going to locate the center. And this is the center. And this, my fabric already has like, it already has like lines on it. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just going to follow one of the lines. It happens that this particular line is the center. So I'm just going to follow that line all through. We are just going to give like half-inch space for the thread. Guys, you can remember, this is the reason why I said you should use a matching thread, because you have to make sure you want to make sure that that line you are sewing is not so visible to give it that aesthetics that it's supposed to have. It's time to join the elastic. I didn't know my camera went off, so I had to like run 2 long stitches here, half-inch separated. So yeah, I need this one to be a bit wider, so I'm just going to use 8 inches. Yeah, so I'm going to pass through. Okay guys, so like I did for the other one, just going to tack. Now it's time to close. So I'm just going to tuck this inside, then we'll sew. We're also going to do it for the lower part as well. So guys, this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. What it's looking like at the other side. Okay guys, so these are the 2 scrunchies. The first one we did, the first method I showed you, and now this is the second one. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming through. Till next time, guys. Stay positive, stay happy, and stay stylish. Bye.